This is a gift snack box, and it is super fun. My grandson is gonna freak out. I love it. It's got Skinny Pop in here, so it's got the gluten-free stuff for me, and then it's got the Cheez Its and the stuff he loves and he can have. So the famous Amos, oh my gosh, these are great. There's Oreo cookies in here, a little 2-pack of these. They've got the popcorn guys, popcorners. They also even have like a little thing of Pringles in here. So I'm just super tons of variety. You've got the, these little, I used to love these peanut butter guys. These little crackers with peanut butters in them. I used to love it. Takes me straight back. Rice Krispie treats. What? This really takes me back. My mom used to make the best homemade Rice Krispie treats. White cheddar Cheez-Its. We also have Chewy's, Quaker Oats, Welch's fruit snacks. What? Mini pretzels. You've got mini pretzels in here. Dum Dums, peanuts, Airheads, Twizzlers, Laffy Taffy. Oh my gosh. Like, come on. Nutri-Grain. All the fun stuff, all the classics, all the good stuff. Several flavors of Airheads here. Ooh. Oh, my grandson's gonna freak out when he sees those. Ooh. Awesome stuff. That's everything that's in here.